Today I want to talk about the new Vangear Freerunner conversion. So we'll go through the various bits of the conversion in a minute, but the essence is a fully integrated system that can be fitted into vans like we have here, which is the Caddy Mark V Maxi. And then we're also looking to fill it into the VW ID Buzz as well. So I'll just go through a few elements. So part of the Freerunner concept is the ability to cook inside and outside. So this unit, I'll show you in a minute, slides out. At the end here we have the table stand. Let's shut that door, it's a little bit windy. So we've got a table stand here, and at the end here a useful box for storing sleeping bags and bottles and that kind of thing. So the bed pulls out, and you also have the option of removing these and having the full width bed with this version. I'll show you that in a bit. So the new Maxi unit, as we're calling it, obviously this is a Caddy Maxi, a long wheelbase Caddy Maxi. So you have storage unit underneath. Room here for the fridge, which is held in place with this belt. Obviously this can be removed. And then at the back here we've got the kitchen unit with the new oak lids, which can pull out. So when it's raining, you know, we live in England, you can cook inside the van. So you've got your cordless tap here, so there's a little battery in there which is charged via this USB socket. So the tap fits there, and then you've got a stove on the left here and your sink on the right there, and then there's a storage tray at the back there. So the unit has got a couple of drawers here. You can see the water bottles in there actually. So you remove this panel, so it's convenient changing of the water bottles. So this whole thing pulls out, and you can see the top access into the Maxi pod there as well. There's another one of these underneath the cooler as well. So, as in our other units, the lids can fit here, or they slide into slots on the end of the unit to form a useful table. Okay, so I'll give you a quick demonstration on the compact bed for the Caddy 5 Maxi. So we've got these sections that just pull out. So this section sits onto the other unit here. So we've got these that section there, and then this section pulls out further than the unit. So you've got that section there, and then you've got your various mattresses there. There's another little mattress that goes into that section there. And then if your priority is a full width bed, I'll show you what the other options for this are. The Maxi pod's top section can actually be moved to under here. We've now located the kitchen top into there. So like I said before, it's not really designed to be done on a daily basis, but if your preference is for a full width bed, you know, I'll get the mattresses in a minute. But you can see, I'll get the other mattress section in a minute, but you can see how this can form a full width bed now. And you can still use the kitchen unit. Obviously you will need to have the external bottles on the ground, so you won't be able to use these bottles. But this unit still pulls out, and you can still use the tap and the stove on the outside there while having a full width bed. I'll just go around and get the other mattress section out.